Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you control the business profile and have the right account signed in. This prevents accidental deletion of the wrong location. Once signed in, open the Business Profile Manager or the Maps listing you manage and verify the listing status. Verified listings require owner-level access. If the profile is duplicate or already marked closed, make note. This changes the path. Make sure to note any linked Google services before proceeding so you know why deletion. Now you go into the info section and choose close or remove listing. This is where Google asks if the place is permanently closed or should be removed. Once you select remove listing, follow the on-screen prompts. They will ask for confirmation and reason. Make sure to export or copy photos, hours, and review summaries first because removal will strip public content. If the profile is verified by another user, request ownership transfer before removal. Otherwise, the delete action may be blocked. Finally, confirm the removal and watch maps for up to 7 days while Google processes the change. Updates are not always immediate. If you're blocked from deleting because another owner exists, request an ownership transfer, then repeat the removal steps. This resolves ownership conflicts. If something goes wrong, use the Business Profile Help menu to request support and provide screenshots. One key troubleshooting tip: if a listing reappears, check for duplicates and close or merge them rather than repeatedly removing the same.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.